today.
Immediate former crime buster director of criminal investigations at DCI Kinoti's exit from office and subsequent disbandment of one of his co-operational units, Special Service Unit SSU, appears to be a major indictment of his tenure in office by the President William Ruto's administration.
On my first day in office, I executed the instruments to actualize the financial autonomy of the National Police Service and have given the necessary directives to enable it rapidly achieve national security strategic objectives. These actions extend to the facilitation of the Director of Criminal Investigations to expeditiously resolve investigations to a standard that can support effective prosecution and secure convictions.
The president is on record saying SSU was responsible of extrajudicial and summary executions. At the same time, shortly after leaving office, the special unit was dissolved and all officers numbering close to 100 recalled to Mazingira House, a DCI headquarters, and immediately sent on compulsory 30 days leave. What has followed is subsequent crackdown and interrogation of 21 officers, and at least 4 have since been arraigned before Kahawa law courts in Kiambu over the alleged abduction of 2 Asian nationals and their Kenyan taxi driver whose whereabouts remain uncertain. Peter Muthi Gashiku, Francis Mwendo Ndonye, John Mwangi Kamau, and Joseph Kamau Mbugu appeared before Kahawa law courts magistrate Diana Mochache to face the law on a number of alleged crimes. Through their lawyers Danstan Omari and Kahiga Kiguru, said only DCI, DPP or National Police Service Commission can bring cases against police to court. Magistrate Mochache will on Wednesday rule whether the Police Internal Affairs Unit can bring a case before her in court. The IAU had made an application seeking the court to allow the police to detain the 4 police officers suspected of having a hand in the disappearance of the 2 Indian men and their taxi driver. IAU wanted the 4 to be held for 30 days pending investigations. At least 10 other officers from the disbanded SSU have reportedly agreed to be witnesses in the cases that is slowly emerging to be a major probe into claims of extrajudicial killings. Investigations into the murder accusation has put former DCI boss Kinoti and SSU director Pius Gitari at center stage, with allegations revealing that some of the SSU officers followed illegal directives. Other top bosses from the DCI are also likely to be targeted in the ongoing crackdown against officers attached to the unit whose members have been linked to extrajudicial killings and forced disappearances. Preliminary investigations have revealed that the senior officer attached to the Crime Research and Intelligence Bureau (CRIB) tracked and monitored the movement of the 2 foreigners at the heart of the ongoing investigations. Acting Inspector General Nur Gabo has also warned that police service will not tolerate lawlessness and that lives must be protected and only taken away under extreme circumstances and in accordance with the law. Stanley Lugaria, The Informer, uncovering the truth.